Have you ever wondered where the roots of science lie? It all started thousands of years ago with ancient civilizations that were curious about the world around them. The Babylonians, for instance, were the pioneers of astronomy and mathematics. They gazed at the stars, charting their movements and establishing the basis for our modern calendars, while their mathematical breakthroughs have shaped our understanding of numbers and space. Then, there were the Egyptians, who made significant strides in geometry and medicine. They built the pyramids with incredible precision and developed an understanding of the human body that was well ahead of its time. But it was the Greeks who truly transformed the way we approach science. They established the scientific method, a systematic approach to inquiry that is still in use today. The ancient civilizations laid the groundwork, but science was just beginning to take shape. The journey was far from over, and the next chapters would bring even more astounding discoveries. As centuries passed, science continued to evolve, but not without resistance. Amidst the darkness of the Middle Ages, sparks of scientific thought flickered. The Church largely dominated this period, often clashing with science. However, not all was lost. Pioneers like Galileo Galilei dared to challenge the status quo, making significant strides in astronomy, despite the Church's objections. Meanwhile, the Renaissance gave rise to polymaths like Leonardo da Vinci, who blended art and science to dissect the mysteries of the human body. These individuals not only expanded our understanding of the world, but also fostered a culture of curiosity and learning. A critical turning point came with the invention of the printing press. This revolutionary device democratized knowledge, allowing scientific ideas to spread like wildfire. No longer were these concepts confined to the cloistered walls of monasteries. They could now reach the hands of the common man. Despite the hurdles, the flame of scientific inquiry continued to burn, paving the way for the era of Enlightenment. The Enlightenment era ushered in a wave of scientific revolution, leading us to the modern era. As we navigated through the fog of the unknown, figures like Isaac Newton and Charles Darwin emerged as beacons of knowledge. They not only made groundbreaking discoveries but also laid the foundations of the scientific method. This systematic approach to inquiry opened up new avenues, birthing modern scientific disciplines as we know them today. The last century in particular has been a testament to human ingenuity. From splitting the atom to exploring the cosmos, our technological advancements have accelerated scientific discovery at an unprecedented rate. We've harnessed the power of the smallest particles and peered into the farthest reaches of the universe. Yet, despite these leaps and bounds, the quest for understanding is never-ending. Each discovery uncovers new mysteries and challenges to overcome. The modern era has seen science reach new heights, but the journey is far from over. The journey of science from ancient civilizations to the modern era brings us to an important question: what lies ahead? As we gaze into the future, we find ourselves on the precipice of remarkable possibilities. The realm of artificial intelligence is set to transform our world, with machines capable of learning and problem-solving at an unprecedented scale. Quantum computing, a field once purely theoretical, is now making strides towards reality, promising computational power beyond our wildest dreams. Meanwhile, the final frontier of space continues to beckon. We're not just talking about moon landings or Mars rovers, but colonizing other planets and perhaps even making contact with extraterrestrial life. In the face of global challenges like climate change and pandemics, science is our most potent weapon. It's our guiding light in the quest for solutions. As we stand on the brink of unprecedented scientific advancements, one thing is clear: the journey of science is an endless pursuit of knowledge. As we pause on our journey through the ages of scientific discovery, we invite you to join us on future expeditions. Before we conclude, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. This small act of support fuels our quest to bring more enlightening videos on science and its infinite journey. Stay curious, stay informed, and together let's continue to explore the fascinating realm of knowledge. Remember, the journey of science is not just for the select few, it's a voyage we share as a species. Until next time, keep discovering.